Welcome back to Viscount Leisure here in Southampton. Got a Swift Doublette Classic. It's a 2018. It's based on a Major 4 SB, but it's just a special edition, so it's got a few extras on it. Solar panel on the roof, we've got an external barbecue point and a power point. We've got a mover on the front as well. So it's just a slightly different spec to a standard one, but it looks very nice from the outside. Let's go and have a look inside and see what we've got. Really clean and tidy, again as you expect from us here. Really everything you need, nice and bright, not offensive colours on the seating and stuff like that. It's very nice. Nice big double make-up bed at the front, loads of light coming from all the windows and skylights. Good sized kitchen, 3-way fridge, 3 gas burner hob. Got an extendable worktop there as well, we can lift up. Getting a bit more space down the other side as well. Of course, lovely island bed, transverse. It's in its day mode at the moment. It does extend out further to obviously make it bigger. Lots of space, lots of light, which is what we like in these things. Little vanity unit over there as well with another TV point. Of course, it's got a TV area on the roof, so you can have a TV in both sections of the van. Then we've got a lovely end washroom here as well with our Thetford toilet. Backlit mirror and a full-size separate shower as well. Again, we can do virtual appointments via video call. If you're not local, we do a lot of those at the moment. And also, obviously, if you want to pop down and have a look, you feel free. We can also deliver it, put it on your driveway in a 150-mile radius for free. But yeah, she's a lovely one. If you want any more info, give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Many thanks.